Are you excited to go for your hike? I'll take that as a yes. The first stop you're going to want to make is to the Trabuco General Store. It's a very easy 25-minute drive here from Irvine, and here you can stock up on waters for the hike and also the parking pass required for the hike. You can purchase your daily pass to the National Forest. It's called the National Forest Adventure Pass for $5, and it's good for 1 day. What do you think about driving through this?
I love it. I'm not so sure my car does.
The scenery is beautiful though. And this reminds me of the Indiana Jones ride at Disneyland. If you've ever been on it, then you'll know what this road is like.
We are at the trailhead of the Holy Jim Falls Trail. It's about a 2.8 mile hike. Pretty easy overall. I think we have about 650 feet in total climb.
Sorry for the shaky footage. There's mosquitoes buzzing around my ear. We're here in the summertime, so the creek bed is completely dried, but other times probably not. Even though we're in the middle of the wilderness, there is still these little cabins along this trail. Wonder who lives here. Look at this awesome peacock at one of the cabins. I wish he would show us his plumes, but I think he's a little shy right now. This is super cool. We're just going through these dark canopies, and the shade actually feels quite nice. It's like 95 degrees out, but super peaceful. When in doubt, just follow Baxter. He always knows the way. When it said it was easy, I guess we were expecting smoother trails, but do expect rocks along the way, and you gotta climb and duck and kind of go through different types of terrain. But very rewarding in terms of what you get to see. These views are spectacular.
For anybody wondering, this is an off-leash trail, so we are not breaking any rules by letting our dog roam freely. It's his preference and ours too, to do it whenever we can.
Anyone has a remedy for keeping mosquitoes out of your ears? Please let me know. Maybe earmuffs? I just hate the sound of buzzing right into my ear. It's like soft, loud. Almost there, I can feel it. Well, we made it to what would normally be the waterfall, but it's completely dry. Well, not completely, but you know what I'm trying to say. No waterfall, but still a beautiful hike. After our hike, we decided to reward ourselves with a meal and some drinks at Rose Canyon Cantina and Grill. This turned out to be such a great find. This patio seating is so cute. This restaurant is adorable. And how's your Pacifico?
Almost gone.
This is cute, right?
Not as cute as you, but yes, very cute.